Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Performance Cordless Sabre Saw 20 volt. It is the model PSSAP 20 Li B2, 5 years warranty from Little Leon Technology inside, brushless motor. We've got 85% higher charging current, 50% higher cutting capacity, 100% longer running time and 10x longer motor life because it is a brushless motor. The battery belongs to the Parkside X20 volt team battery, compatible with all tools in the Parkside X20 volt team series. That's nice. We've got no load, stroke rate 0 to 3000 SPM, stroke length is 22 millimeters, max cutting capacity is 150 millimeters in wound, 12 millimeters in steel, 18 millimeters in non-ferrous metal, and 100 millimeters in metal pipes. So let's see some pictures. There on the other side. And let's open it to see what we have inside. Nice red black box. Parkside Performance. I like the black and red color. Nice durable case for having your tools inside, and voila! Inside we are gonna find out the manual, of course. If you want to do it your choice, stay with me, you are gonna find out all about that. We have the typical charger is the PLG20B1, green and red LED indicators when it's charging and fully charged. There's a tool, we've got the battery, it has the LED indicator for how much juice we've got inside the battery. Oh, nice grip, soft, very friendly to my hand. We've got the on-off switch. To work with that, we've got a safety, just push it and work, and from the other side, very convenient. Black and gray, nice color. Now here we've got the saw blade holder. You can rotate that and install the blade inside. Next we have the locking lever, and you can unlock that, it takes out, and you can adjust the length. This is the base plate, you can adjust it. Nice tool, I can say, feels very nice in my hand. Again, nice manufacturer. Brushless motor, it says here brushless motor. Parkside Performance, again brushless motor, and the model here. We've got a huge Parkside battery, PAP20A3. It is the 4 ampere hours battery, and it's time for testing. First I will cut a 9 centimeters of wood to see how it works. Of course, because there is no included accessories into the box, I have just buy these 3. This is again all into the Parkside Performance Sabre Saw blade set. 2, another 2. This is for speed wood. This is again for speed wood, clean wood and plastic, and this is for a metal, flexible metal. This is 22 centimeters of length, 15 millimeters of length, and 50 millimeters of length. Nice. Now changing the blade is very easy. Just rotate that and insert the blade. And here we've got the LED working light, and then it turns off automatically after a few seconds. As we can see, we've got a nice and clean cut. Thumbs up. Now let's say we've got these nails into the wood and we need to cut them. We need to change, of course, the blade, rotate that, pull it out, and install for the metal the blade. And we're okay. Cuts with no problem. Now I have these 5 screws into the wood, and it's time to use this cordless sabre saw. Wow, great job, thumbs up. Now, as you can see, I have put these 2 big screws into the wood, and I will cut the wood with the screws inside. For that, I'm going to use this speed wood and metal from Parkside and change it again. Now, let's see how it goes. Voila! That's nice. You can see the screws are inside, 1 and 2, and here, of course, from the other side. Now next we have this old drainage pipe, and I think it's time for cutting. Yeah, good job, nice. Now next we have this old galvanized pipe. Very nice, very smoothly. Thumbs up again. Good job. Well guys, that was all about this cordless sabre saw from Parkside, from the performance line. What do you think about this tool? Well, please leave down below to the comments your thoughts. For me, I think it's a great tool. 100% I will buy it. It costs about 99 euros, and you can see it can cut wood with screws, with nails, pipes, plastic. I'm sure it can cut aluminium, metal, whatever you've got into your mind. And if you need something like that to your tool collection, as you are a professional, because this is a professional line, well, why not just buy it? With brushless motor, that makes a huge big difference. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.